Welcome back to Stewart Creek Farm, this amazing family-friendly neighborhood. Ride along with me as we take a look at our newest listing. Hi, I'm Tara LaPointe with John Jones Real Estate, and welcome to 101 McClaran Place. Let's go inside and take a look. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath, just over 2,900 square feet sits on a huge corner lot with a private backyard. On the main level, we have a large, well-trimmed living room with vaulted ceilings and a gas fireplace that opens up to your dining room. Just off the living area is your kitchen, breakfast area, and a home office. This beautiful kitchen features granite, stainless steel appliances, and beautiful hardwood floors throughout the home. I love these French doors that lead to the perfect place for your home office. Welcome to the master suite with beautiful natural light. The home has been freshly painted and new carpet throughout. Downstairs we have our primary suite with tray ceilings, double vanities in the bath, garden tub, tile shower with dual shower heads, and a large walk-in closet. We also have an additional downstairs bedroom and a full bath. Upstairs we have 2 additional bedrooms which share a full bath and a huge bonus room over your oversized 2-car garage. One of my favorite areas in this home is the enclosed sunroom with gas heater and brick floor. Imagine having your morning coffee in your sunroom overlooking your private backyard. Thank you for taking a look at our newest listing. If you have any questions or would like a private showing, please call me at 615-491-4359.